Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, we're gonna continue from yesterday where we left off. But make sure it's the big brother, the big sister, the big sibling, they come and look on the 3 young babies. But we'll continue look on that, okay? So yes guys, it's meal time, it's feeding time. Both parents are in the box feeding the young ones, which are 3 babies. Hopefully we get some nice color out of them. And one of the siblings from the last batch is in the box. You see him there? Watch him. And you see father, daddy had defended young baby them. I could have trampled them, pick him. Look, you see? Pick him for him move out. I can see baby right there, so. So no sister, I didn't really exaggerate yesterday morning when I say I need to get him out of that cage, because if daddy have to be picking his own child, so his mother said no get quashed. So that means that him really need to go. You see them? I do like I 2 of them. I pick them coming there, See there? I pick that one there too. So it look like a mommy and daddy a feed. Look like a daddy a feed and then 2 no fear coming there. See there? Like I'm running and run out one. And that one here fast in the camera. Look in the camera. Look. So yeah guys, one thing I wanna say, take him out though. And that means saying take out all 3 of them, because we got 2 cinnamon and a pie. And that what they get. So I think myself, we think we sell the pie. I think I sell the pie, so I think I had 2 cinnamon left back. I forgot to check, I'm not sure. So if I had 2 cinnamon left back, then they are indeed the baby, because they were the last 2 to hatch out of 3. And them really still very dependent on their father. I mean, I see the mother feed them, to be honest. I just see father, him wanna do feeding. So when mommy in the box feeding the young ones, these babies, then daddy is outside feeding the big one them. I'm telling you already, them past 8 weeks and he still a feed them. Cha-cha. It's a good man in a bird. Yes, Lord. So anyway guys, watch him. Fast. Well yeah guys, nothing me have to go take them out. I am going to take them out. Before this week ends, I'm going to take them out, so that mommy and daddy can cater for their young ones. Because they can't bother with no big old tough bird that come kill off them little baby. Come on, man, what that? Trample the little baby them. I'm not into that. So yeah guys, there are the 3 babies. Are you seeing them? 1, 2, 3. And right there you're seeing an egg that has not been hatched as yet. Well, I think the egg is spoiled, to be honest. Based on how it looks, it is spoiled. But I don't know. Well, make sure it's spoiled. No baby now coming at that. Because so if it's not spoiled, then the baby has died inside the egg. But I know that there is not a live baby or a living baby in that egg. So nothing will come from the egg, basically. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys. So before I go, I wanna know, what that is. Like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time my videos drop. Goodbye, adios.